Hello everyone, welcome to my book review. My name is Alondra, and today we will be reviewing the book titled Red, White, and Royal Blue by Casey McQuiston. Now before we start, here is my table of contents. I will be giving a short summary, I will analyze the plot, characters, and diction, I will be rating the book, and lastly be giving a recommendation. Now, I chose this book because it seemed like a fun rom-com and something that I would enjoy reading. This book is a fiction romance novel. It is 418 pages long and was published in 2019. Summary. In the book Red, White, and Royal Blue, we meet Alex, who is the son of the first woman president of the USA. He is invited to the UK for the royal wedding, but little does he know his world is about to change. He sees his young rival, Prince Henry, and they end up having a little accident. In order to keep everything under control with the press, both families set up meetings and photo shoots with the sons to create a fake friendship. But as time goes on, Henry finds himself falling for Alex, and soon enough their pictures of each other kissing are being spread throughout the whole world. This is not only a problem for Alex's mother's campaign for re-election, but for Henry's unapproving royal family. 2. Evaluation Part 1. Analyze Plot. Now, one reason I had a love and hate relationship with this book was because of the plot. This story covers many topics that are realistic and should be talked about. It is also entertaining seeing people who are usually seen as well-mannered being a normal human. It is funny and cute, but the book is very fast-paced and kind of throws things at you almost immediately. Less than halfway through the book, the two main characters have already had their first confessions and kiss. It is your usual romantic comedy with a few sad parts. There are a few plot twists towards the end, making the book more interesting than it was at the beginning, which started off rather boring. At first, it was a bit hard to get into the book, but as it went on, it became more interesting and was able to captivate me into the storyline. Evaluation Part 2. Characters. A reason I enjoyed this book is because of the fun and diverse characters. There were so many characters, each with different personalities and jobs. The two main characters, Alex and Henry, are certainly lovable characters with distinguished personalities. Alex, the 21-year-old, is an outgoing, loud, humorous, and fun person. Henry, the 23-year-old, is a conserved, well-mannered, kind, and funny prince. Throughout the book, we see much diversity in the characters. For example, the two main characters are gay and bisexual. There are also transgender and pansexual characters. There's also racial diversity, which I love. At some point, it did get a bit hard to keep track of who was who, because many names were listed with only a short introduction at the beginning of who they are and what they do. There were many significant characters. Evaluation Part 3. Diction. Finally, I enjoyed this book because of the author's word choices throughout the story. This book contains many words that sound fancier or more mature. I think this fits the plot and characters well because the characters are respectable and famous people known for leading countries. This makes the roles of the characters seem more realistic. The author also chose to write many excerpts of sayings or poems of older royals, which I thought added to the romantic side of the story. 5-star review. I give this book a 4-star review. This book was very cute, humorous, emotional, surprising, and full of amazing characters. The only thing was how fast things happened in the book. The drama was a bit too rushed, so the excitement only lasted for a while. This did not stop the book from being interesting and an enjoyable read. All I am saying is that I enjoy slower-paced books with more plot twists. Conclusion/recommendation. I recommend this book to people who enjoy fast-paced rom-com books. I also recommend this book to a more mature audience because it does have a few sections that can be suggestive. This book is realistic with LGBTQ plus and racially diverse characters. There are also characters dealing with stress, depression, drugs, alcohol, etc. It can maybe be relatable for people to some extent. Either way, I really did enjoy this book and would say it was worth my time. Thank you for listening. Bye!